Hello, I am Natalie, and I've been an acupuncturist in the San Francisco Bay Area for over 18 years. And I wanted to share something with you, my colleagues, in case you find it helpful in your own practice. What I found myself doing before each treatment is a simple hands-on reset or kind of a clearing on the patient before doing the actual needling. And my patients loved their sessions because of this. I think because of this, they really loved it. And more importantly, I think that it actually made it took the treatment a lot further because what I found was that patients come in with kind of all this loud noise, whether it's stress or they were rushing over or they just had an argument or, they just got off work. And so this clearing or reset would clear this loud noise, and then the treatment, the needling, could actually address the Chinese medical diagnosis, right? That could actually get to, the heart and spleen imbalance, or the spleen qi tonification, or the kidney yin tonification, whatever it was, building the liver blood. I felt that without doing the reset, the whole treatment would kind of actually get wasted just on clearing, if that makes any sense to you. And so all that I did, I would take about 1 or 2 minutes. I actually love hands-on healing and treatment. Maybe you do as well. I think that in and of itself is very grounding, literally grounding, earthing. We're exposed to a lot of EMFs, or we're very much in our yang rising and head focused, and it just helps anchor us into the nervous system, right, into a more neutral field. So I would simply put my fingers or my hands on gallbladder 20 and do kind of a gentle Reiki hold, just grounding myself and letting their body calibrate to my chi field, my energy. And I would always meditate before the whole day, of course, and ground myself. And then maybe on GB21 as well. And sometimes, depending on the patient, also on the feet, just holding the feet and maybe having some fingers on kidney one. But mostly, most of my patients, all the energy was up here, right? And so with a lot of them, I would actually use this oil that I make, cinnamon protector oil. It's herbal and has essential oils. It has dragon's blood for moving chi and blood, and and then essential oils. It does have quite a strong wintergreen smell. So I wouldn't use this on patients, over 65 or who are frail or cold, but most patients have a lot of chronic tension or excess energy up here. And so I would just take a couple of drops, a really small amount like that. It smells really good, and place it on, just like this, on GB20 and hold it. Or if they have a lot of chronic neck tension, then press it in kind of strongly, right? And firmly, or on GB21 as well. Sometimes also just lengthening the cervical spine by putting my fingers on just at the base of the neck on the governing vessel, and just lengthening and imagining. It just depends on what language you use, but I think of um, kind of grounding the brainstem or sending chi to their energy field to clear the emotions, or some Reiki for grounding, something like that, to just clear their body, mind, and field so that your needle treatment can go a lot further and address the actual imbalances that they're there for. So maybe you find that interesting. And then the patients just love it. They really feel so good within the first minute. They don't waste time relaxing. They don't waste the first 20 minutes just settling. It's like literally they're able to go right into their treatment and really rest and restore deeply. And so maybe you find that interesting. Maybe you already do this. I don't know. Or you have your own way of doing it. And with each patient, it's just whatever language you use. Certain ones respond more to Reiki, hands-on healing, Qigong, just saying hello to the vagus nerve and letting it come to sacred neutral, whatever it is, I'm not exactly sure what's happening, but it really seemed to be such minimal energy and go um, a long way for the treatment. So maybe you'll find that helpful or interesting and you want to try it out. And if you want to try out this oil, just ask us for a coupon code so that we can give you a discount to try it out. And I hope that you love it. Bye for now and happy healing.